Let's walk through how to make a reservation on WebStore. First, visit the Mount Prospect Park District website and click on the Register Now button, which is located in the top right-hand corner. When you click on Register Now, you will be taken to the WebStore homepage. Now, if you have a WebStore account, you can simply enter in your email address and password and sign in. If you need to create an account, please scroll down to the area that says Don't Have an Account, Request an Account. You can click on Request an Account and fill out the information, and you will receive an email with how to log in to WebStore. Once you are logged in, you can click the top right-hand corner icon that says Reservations. Here you will be taken to the Reservations page, which will show all programs that are utilizing the Reservations feature. For this example, let's book a lap lane at the Recplex pool. Click on your selection, and then you will see a calendar icon where you can select the date that you're looking to book a lap lane. Click on the date, and then the available reservation times are listed. If any of these times were full, they would have a line through them. I'll click 6:45 a.m. to 7:30, and my household information pops up. So I can pick which member of my household that this is for, and I can add it to my cart. You will see it says in cart. So this will add the reservation to your cart as well as any applicable fees. Now, please note, if you have a qualifying membership, the fee would be $0, and then qualifying memberships, in case there are any questions, are listed below. To select an additional date, you can click the Change Selection button and choose your next reservation. Once all reservations are selected and placed in your cart, you do need to go back up to the top of the screen and the blue bar menu and click on the shopping cart icon in order to complete the checkout process. You click on the shopping cart, your cart will be listed along with all your reservations, and then you click the blue checkout button. You're not done yet. Here's where you will enter any payment information, your credit card. You will agree to the terms and conditions, and then a button will pop up that says Finalize Purchase. You have to complete the step of finalizing the purchase, even if you have a membership and no fees are involved, in order to secure your reservations. If you would like to see what reservations you have, there are two ways to do that. You can click again on the reservations icon and click the blue button that says View My Reservations, or you can click back up in the top of the screen on the Account button. And if you scroll down with your account information, you will see a blue View Reservations button listed under Patrons. If you have any difficulties with this process or have any questions, please send an email to webstore@mppd.org, or if you are in WebStore, click on Contact Us at the bottom of the screen.